Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you why is Apple taking money from my Cash App account. Let's get started. If you've noticed unexpected charges from Apple on your Cash App statement, it's almost always for one specific reason. Apple is likely taking money from your Cash App because you have an active Apple subscription or service set to bill automatically to your Cash App debit card. This is a very common setup and could be for services like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, iCloud Plus storage, or even a recurring in-app purchase from the App Store. To solve this, you need to check and manage your Apple subscriptions. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name and Apple ID. From there, select the option labeled Subscriptions. This will show you a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. You need to review every single active subscription carefully. For each one, make sure you recognize the service and confirm that you are still using it. If you find a subscription you no longer need, simply tap on it and select Cancel Subscription to stop any future charges. Next, you should verify your payment method. Go back to the main Apple ID settings page and tap on Payment and Shipping. Here, you will see all the payment methods on file. Check if your Cash App debit card is listed. If you want to prevent any further Apple charges from coming out of your Cash App balance, you have two choices. You can either remove the Cash App card completely, or you can set a different payment method, like a credit card, as your primary option. Now, let's look at your purchase history. Go back to your Apple ID settings and look for Media and Purchases. You might need to tap View Account to see this. Scroll through your purchase history and look for any charge you don't recognize. If you see something unfamiliar, tap on it for more details like the date and a transaction ID. Also, double-check if you use family sharing, as the charge could be from a family member's purchase. If you find a charge you are sure you did not authorize, it's time to take action. First, contact Apple Support. You can do this by visiting the Apple Support website or using the Apple Support app. Report the unauthorized charge and provide all the details. This helps protect your accounts from unauthorized access in the future. Finally, always be cautious of phishing emails or text messages pretending to be from Apple or Cash App. Legitimate companies will never ask for sensitive information like your password or full card number through email or text. If you get a suspicious message, report it directly to Apple or Cash App. By following these steps, you can identify and resolve the issue of Apple taking money from your Cash App and secure your accounts.